Here we will see inheritance in Python. Inheritance is the ability to inherit features or attributes from already written classes into newer classes. It promotes code reusability, which is considered one of the best industrial coding practices, as it makes the codebase modular. In Python inheritance, new class inherits from older class. The new class copies all the older class functions and attributes without rewriting the syntax of the new class. These new classes are called derived classes and old ones are called base class. General syntax for defining inheritance is class, superclass, then attributes and methods of the superclass, and then subclass which inherits superclass, then attributes and methods of superclass and attributes and methods of subclass. The use of inheritance is, since a child class can inherit all the functionalities of the parent's class, this allows code reusability. Once a functionality is developed, you can simply inherit it. This allows for cleaner code and easier to maintain. Since you can also add your own functionalities in the child class, you can inherit only the useful functionalities and define other required features. The advantages of inheritance are, it increases the code reusability as we do not have the copy of the same code again to our new class. It makes the program more efficient. We can add more features to our already built class without modifying it or changing its functionality. And it provides a representation of real-world relationships. Based upon the number of child and parent classes involved, there are 5 types of inheritance in Python. First, single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance.